what is it, like day 5, day 6? Eating McChicken every day for a month. So, fries. Damn, them hoes hot. Oh, bruh. Y'all know what I got. Large fry. Sweet and sour. We gonna hop straight into it with the backwards. You know, let me see. 'Cause what if I flip this bitch? But you can't open it like that. Like, who gonna open it like you gotta, that's so weird. Add some fries on that hoe. Damn, that shit hot. Oh my God, these right out the motherfucking fryer. You would think this shit would get easier, but it don't. Got 2 sweet and sour sauces, cause goddamn. Damn, that bit fresh. This one of their better days, no doubt. But that's like a windstorm here, bro. This wind blowing hella hard. But this chicken sandwich just blew me away. This motherfucker good. I can't even eat the fries like I want. Motherfucker's too damn hot. Shit slap.